I just said they want to talk about Covino's pick
and the quote-unquote staged home run that's gone viral.
It's a really cool moment, no matter how you look at it. What's up, Chris?
What's up, fellas? So, yeah, apparently not only is he a fan, he's a